Welcome back. Let us try to solve this BODMAS problem. We have parentheses or bracket 8 plus 2 multiplied by bracket 6 minus 4. We should solve all what is in the bracket. We have 8 plus 2 and 6 minus 4. We have 8 plus 2, that is 10, multiplied by 6 minus 4, that is 2, and therefore 10 multiplied by 2 equal to 20, and this is your final answer. So we solve all what is in the parentheses, then we multiply them together to give the result. So next question, we have 2 plus 5 multiply open parenthesis or bracket to the power of 2 squared. Therefore, we rewrite this down. Then we should solve for 3 squared, and 3 squared simply means 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Therefore, move to the multiplication before addition, because according to BODMAS, M comes before addition. Now, we simply multiply 5 times 9 equal 45. Now, 2 plus 5. Now, 2 plus 45 equal 47. 47 is our final answer. Now to the next question. We have 6 squared divided by 2 open parenthesis 3 plus 4. So how do we solve this? First, this has already been solved, so we move to the squared, and 6 squared is simply means 6 times 6, and 6 times 6 equal to 36. Okay, we have 36. Then we rewrite the equation back again. So we have we rewrite this 36 divided by 2 multiplied by this 3 plus 4. And remember, division and multiplication have the same rights. They have the same priority. Therefore, we move from left to right, just like reading a book. Now, 36 divided by 2 equal 18. And 18 multiplied by 3, that is 54 plus 4. And now 54 plus 4 equal 58. And this is our final answer. Now you have 12 minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 squared. We solve for what is in the bracket first. Therefore, 12 minus 2 multiplied and 2 squared open bracket 3 2 squared means 2 times 2 equal to 4. Then 12 minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay. Now we said 12 minus 2 multiplied by 7, and 2 times 7 equal to 14. Therefore, 12 minus 14 will have a negative 2, and this is our final answer. We have 10 squared minus 5 squared multiplied by 3. This result, 10 squared. This simply means 10 times 10 equal to 100, minus 5 times 5, and 5 times 5 is 25, multiplied by 3. Now, we solve this. Okay, that is 100 minus 25 multiplied by 3. That is 25 times 3 equal to 75. And then 100 minus 75 equal to 25. 25 is our final answer. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.